just telling you flat out. All right. Some people don't like how I act. Well, okay, then just piss off. Right. This is a channel where I try to educate people and show you outstanding results. And if you want to get your credit fixed, that's what you can pay for, right? That's what you're going to get. You're not going to get anything else other than that. So anyway, we're number one for a reason. And YouTube, the thing with YouTube, we're not number one on YouTube. YouTube is an attention whore mechanism where people follow trends, right? YouTube is not designed to give you what you want, to answer your questions. YouTube is supposed to give you what other people are looking for and what they want you to watch, right? You notice that? You notice like your feed, a bunch of stuff comes up. They're trying to sell you stuff. It's different. And so it's more of an education platform where a lot of scam artists use YouTube to scam people. And there are psychological profiles of scammers that the CIA, the CIA does, but they're not in control of this. The CFPB, FTC, more or less, in this certain specter. They pretty much have psychological profiles of certain businesses that advertise certain ways, and they're basically selling you pipe dreams. You know, like Ty Lopez, he's real good at that. I'm not saying he's a scam artist, but he does sell you a pipe dream, right? And these other drop shipping people, and you know what I mean? And no disrespect to Ty Lopez, but yeah, he's a shark. You know what I mean? So is his information helpful? To an extent, yeah, if you pay him lots of money. But anyway, that's neither here or there. There's a lot of, like Grant Cardone, he's a scam artist. He's good at it. And the best scam artists are the ones that can legally take your money and protect themselves legally. So you got to protect yourself from those. But anyway, I don't like that guy. I don't like those people. We don't try to show you the high life. You notice that all I do is show you what I can do to help you. I don't show expensive cars. I don't rent Airbnbs. I could do that. I could allocate my marketing, my capital to marketing to do that. But for what? You know, to get vanity metrics, to get views? Because if you look at the other YouTubers, that's what they're doing. You look at the view count is super high, but you look at the content. Are they clearly, concisely, like a surgeon, dissecting the profile, showing you, you know, what I'm going to show you right now? So let's hop into it. And like I said, I just turned on this camera and I'm not reading a script like these guys. You ever see these guys that have these YouTubers in the film cuts because they're stuttering too much? I don't do that. I don't edit like that. I don't really need an editor. Why should I have an editor to edit the truth? You know what I mean? Like, let the truth be free. You can see how I talk. You can see it in the real, in the raw. We'll edit a few things here, like the sound and stuff like that. And sometimes if I pause too long, then yeah, there's no point for you to see that. You know, sometimes I get exhausted. But these people are like editing it and it looks so perfect. You know what I mean? Because they're rehearsing. They got to spend like an hour just to rehearse. I just turn this on. I don't got to rehearse any of this. And these results just came to me. And you could look at, I don't want to have this guy's number here. Actually, I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Here. So these are text messages. Jason, okay. Okay, guys, the camera was, wow. Let me turn this on. Hello, 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 hello. I hope the audio is working right now. All right. Hey, guys, so the camera was getting too hot by the window, so I'm here by the bed. And I hope the room's a little bit messy, but whatever. So, yeah, let's go back. And so here we have Jason, okay? And let's see what we got here. So, look, he's already at 800. Okay, so Jason's been a client for, I think, a month, and he's already at 800. All right, and we can go through the details of the stuff that's been removed. You can take a screenshot of this. Boom. And yeah, so see the collections that are removed, all the collections and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, now let's go. Like I said, that's recently 10. Let's see, who else? Who else? And as you can see, Miguel and me are messaging back. He's cool. You know what I mean? And when someone leaves me a bad review, I don't care. Like, if it's BS, it's not like people that are going to throw a tantrum to leave a review to get me to react a certain way. It's not. But if someone genuinely is like, they are misinformed and they have a misunderstanding, and you know, I got to give them the benefit of the doubt, and I got to help them and let them, and they have to at least give me a chance to clarify things. They can't just blame everything on me, especially if they just joined. This guy's been a client for a month, and he kind of, you know, pissed on his own foot right there, because it's actually his fault that he didn't continue with the credit monitoring, and then he didn't say sorry. You know what I mean? So, but I know, like, I just flat out proved to him. You know what I mean? So Miguel is a little bit, he's got a big, you know what I mean? Whatever. He's like, I'll give it a shot. I don't like people like that. I mean, you're a grown-ass adult and you messed up. I wouldn't tell him that. If Miguel, if you're watching this, you know, maybe leave a bad review for me telling you the truth. But let me tell you, if you're a man, then you can handle it. Because I'm a man, all right? And we talk, men, this is how men fucking talk, all right? I'm not gonna BS you, all right? I'm like a drill sergeant. I come from a military family. I do not have time for BS, okay? If you cannot handle the truth, then don't expect to get anything in life. I'm gonna tell you that straight the F up. I don't got time for trolls. I don't got time for people calling you scam and all that shit. These are real customers with real lives and real problems. I have to fix them, okay? They pay me thousands of dollars, okay? Tens of thousands of dollars. I had a guy the other day, he paid me $20,000 to put on the top of my list. He's like, Andre, I know you got clients, because he's a referral. You know, he's on my LinkedIn, and he knew a guy from another guy, was my friend, he's a farmer, California. And he's like, I want to be on the top of your list, okay? I'm willing to pay whatever you want to get this done. He had a divorce, and this is a high net worth guy. This guy's worth hundreds of millions of dollars, and he has bad credit. But when you're in the hundreds of millions of dollars, you need to borrow. Hello, people. Did you know America is in debt? And debt is a good thing. I don't need to talk about economics right now because it's a very complex subject, but to make a long story short, debt is good, okay? Debt stimulates the economy in a sense when it's balanced properly. The greatest country in the world and the most powerful country in the world is in debt. So for people to say, oh, credit is a debt trap, no, it's not. You just use it as a debt trap. The gym is a debt trap. When you burn calories and you build muscle, you're in a deficit. You're destroying something, and so it's kind of being used up. But you're gaining the strength and the energy for later, right? It's like the same thing. It's the inverse reality between going to the gym and you're handling your finances. All right, let's see who else is on here. There's got to be some other people. I see some update looking thing from Ken. I'm not quite certain, but I want to show you the one that was on my mind for, what was his name? Oh, was it Terrell? No, it was William. It was William. Oh, William. Okay, look. Boom. 20 deleted right there. You see? 20 deleted. Right there. 20 deleted right there. Okay, I had a call with him and I was making a video and I asked to record the call, and I recorded it, but on the YouTube, on the GoPro, I put time lapse instead of video. And so we got 15 minutes of time lapse video. And I missed that conversation. But I just want to let you know that. And I'll show you the call. Okay? So you know I'm not, just so you know, just want to keep it 100. Where is the call? Oh, okay, here. So you can see the call was 13 minutes and 14 seconds. Yeah, that call was supposed to be recorded. I was recording the video, but it went on the time lapse. But anyway, these are recent, like 20 deletions, and he's been a client for a month. Okay? Like, who's doing that? Right? And you can see Jason. You know, he's already leaving me a review and stuff. And he's telling me, like, how should I write it? Should I change the thing? I'm like, dude, you write it. It's your review. I don't want to interfere. I don't want the reviews to be synthetic. But if there's something that he missed, like, I can give him an idea of, like, okay, well, maybe talk about this. But I will never tell a customer to just, like, make up phony stuff. That's nonsense, right? Or steer them to do it. And I don't even ask customers to really leave reviews. And a lot of customers don't leave reviews, and they're happy. You know what I mean? But maybe we should be better at that. Because in all honesty, marketing is for the people that are still not, still not 100% sure what they should do. And I would rather you work with me if you have the means to do so. We have 2 programs, Fast Track Elite or Hire Me Personally. You see the results, right? You see how we work. We don't sugarcoat anything. I'm not in a desperate need of greed to take on as many clients as possible, although I do want to, but you have to realize we're not paying Google, we're not paying for ads. This is all organic, all right? We rely on Google and YouTube, the algorithms, and our referral network to basically bring us business. And that's how we're growing. Every year we're growing. And we're growing organically. It's a little bit hard. It's like growing or an organic crop. It has more nutritious value than GMO crop that can just mass produce stuff, but it's chemicals and stuff like that. Same difference.